on Santa Monica Boulevard, on Robertson Boulevard. We got a couple, two.
Yelling when holding a shovel. Performance 911 and related to tag 280 tag 319 units respond on 1.
How are you? Good. How you doing, sir?
Good.
Unit 5. 263 John and 5 also respond code 3.
You want to go and start slamming shit and then you want to tell me to move back or something like this. How about that?
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Lancaster 112 Tom, when you have the handle 483, just look for.
You guys back up.
You ready? We're 98. Yeah.
When you see the door open,
Yeah.
never approach them behind their back.
All right.
Okay?
Thank you. I appreciate that advice.
So now you can be on your way out.
I can stand right here too, right?
You can do whatever you want. Just don't approach us.
I can approach you. Come on now.
Safety concerns.
For you or for me? For you or for me? Whose safety concerns are we worried about? Put your seatbelt on. Seatbelts. Seatbelts. 1463231. Let me see. My bike's over there. I want to see. Excuse me? Who says that? Is that a law? No? It says no, it doesn't say no recording. It says no cell phones. Anyway, I'm trying to get next door. They said to come over this way.
You have to go look. You're about to do this today, man.
I'm trying to get next door, and that says to come over here. So can you guys tell me how to get next door? This guy knows me from. I'm just trying to get next door again in that hallway there.
Since the last time you were here,
Yeah.
they closed down both sides. Just so you know.
Oh, okay. Is that just because of the COVID going on?
No, it's just this is the only section because they're downsizing.
Oh, so
So this is the only thing they've got.
so no one's gonna be able to go in that area again?
Just employees.
Oh, okay. Is it because I was here last time?
No.
All right.
Nothing to do. No, because
That's not what I'm trying to do.
It's just unemployment. We used to have all different departments.
Yeah.
Now we're just down to unemployment.
Because I'm not trying to shut things down. I'm trying. So I'm like, am I reversing what I'm trying to do?
No, not at all.
All right, man.
No, they just downsized it. Everything is just unemployment.
All right, and that.
This building's going to be closed like a year.
Oh, it is. Oh, are they moving it to somewhere else? Or?
I have no idea.
All right. So next door, what was that before?
That was the main entrance.
Oh, to all of
The
this.
whole thing.
Oh, okay.
That section's closed, this section's closed.
All right.
It's 3 different sections.
All right, man. Hey, I appreciate it. What's that? Oh, that one?
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Have a good one, guys. It almost became something, guys. It almost became something. See how quick they jumped, though, to tell you not to come in? So this is the only entrance now. That big guy, he was like, we're not going to be doing this today, guys. Or he's like, we don't want to be doing this today. No cell phones. You can't bring cell phones in here? That's crazy. crazy. I know the big guy, he wants this. He wants to get in on some of this action. You can tell. You can tell. So I taught this dude a lesson. He knew what was up. He was in that main hall last time, and he got a lesson last time too. Yeah, that nice guy Lily, that nice guy got his lesson taught to him last time. That's why he tried doing exactly what they did last time. Excuse me? No, I'm not gonna. Call the lieutenant.
Huh?
Call the lieutenant.
They just called.
Okay. So do what you gotta do, man.
Just leave.
I'm not leaving. I'm just gonna take some footage. Yeah, no. It's owned by the public.
And you need to
I can film in a public building.
And you need to get permission.
No, I don't. First Amendment says I don't need permission, sir.
Are you that? Whatever it is.
Here we go. We got someone over here. What's up, buddy? Good, how are you? Oh, okay, why's that?
There's a bike rack on the front. It's just they don't allow it there. There's a bike rack on the front side of the building.
Alright. Alright, man. Just curious, if I don't move it, what are you guys gonna do? Just curious.
No, I'm not gonna do it.
Alright.
That's
You guys,
nice.
yeah.
You
Alright.
know.
Yeah.
411.
Alright, man.
Shout out mass accountability.
Yeah. Love that. The guy, this guy right there, he learned last time. He did good right now. The other two right away came up to me. Hey, you can't be doing that. I really just wanted to ask how to get into that main hall over there where I was before.
Yeah. So I mean, I'm happy to tell you, I'm the lieutenant.
Yeah, I remember you last time. Yeah.
So that area now is not open to the public.
Yeah.
The doors are locked all the time.
Yeah.
It's just used for employees and state police and stuff. So
Yeah.
there's no access allowed.
And yeah, that's what this guy was.
This is-
He was
this is the
explaining
only
that.
public part of
Main
the
entrance
building
now.
and stuff, because the employment center is open and all that.
Yeah. Is there a reason for that? Why they closed that down to the public?
Not that I'm aware of. No.
Oh, okay.
I think it was more just they wanted this to be the focal point, and so. You know,
Just bring all the traffic into one area?
Yeah, exactly. You know, that way, because prior to COVID hitting, when unemployment was up and running,
Yeah.
they would take them through the lobby, but then you kind of had people come through this way, people come
That
through
way.
that way. This was just one central.
Too bad, because there's so much art in there that I'm sure people would like to look at
There
and
is,
enjoy.
there is, and I think there are some architecture tours that you can, get in.
Yeah.
And take in.
Yeah.
I think we gave you the pamphlet. last
Yeah,
time,
I still have that. Yeah.
and stuff.
Yeah. All right, man. Hey, I appreciate it.
Yeah. Take care, buddy.
Yeah.
Nice to see you again.
Hey, man, I still want to apologize for that comment I said, man. I still feel bad, man.
You know what?
Not so
I
moved.
was snarky to you back.
Yeah,
you
it-
know,
so moved though,
like
you
I
know.
said, I was enforcing what I thought was
I know.
our policy
Yeah,
at the time. It
yeah.
was nothing personal towards you.
Yeah,
you
same
know.
thing. I mean, I came personal, but I wasn't trying to.
Yeah, no, that's
It's
it's,
sometimes we go a little further than we want
Yeah,
to.
it's
So.
fine. I had some supporters in the comments.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. I'm glad you read over some of the comments.
I
and shit.
read a little bit. It was a good learning experience.
Yeah,
so,
for everybody.
Yeah, I think it was positive.
All right, man.
All
All right,
man.
Lieutenant. I appreciate you.
Take care.
Have a good one.
Bye.
This guy's got his mask down now.
Alpha 103.
Yes, ma'am. Show us in route to the next 19 at the visitor center.
Look at that mask down. Hi, man.
All right, dude.
Have a good one. They're calling him back. I know, Top Rock. Imagine having the audacity to pick your career choice and then ask to be called a hero about it. I can't go to Methadone Mile right now. I have been over there many times. That's where my bike got stolen, actually. And he's not coming out. He's walking through. Oh, I think that guy was here last time too. Yeah, he was. Yeah, he was. Pretty sure that guy was here last time too. Buddies. Here he is. What's up, bro? How you doing? Tread not to tread. The loading dock I was at last time. Yeah, that jail's right down the street. I've been there a couple times too. Oh, there he is. There he is. There's my guy. There's my guy. What? Don't come up to someone with a camera and say don't record me. Don't come up to someone with a camera and say don't record me. I was riding by, bro. I only stopped because you told me. That's fine. That's fine. He's a state inmate? Okay, then don't confront me then. No, control your state inmate then. I don't care. It doesn't matter. I'm in public. I can do what I want. I'm in public. I can do what I want. Okay, Smarty. All right. All right, CO. Yeah, go ahead. I love hearing that. Yeah. You got a name and badge number? You got a name and badge number? You got a name and badge number, Mr. Correctional Officer? I always get gold at this gate. Go ahead. Go ahead, man. Go ahead. I know. I know. Yeah, we had it last time. You know. You know. Go ahead. Go ahead. I mean, exactly.
Inside the building.
Yes, I can.
You cannot record. 7
See? Call who you gotta call.
Inside the building.
Yeah, I can even walk in the building and record. Yes, I absolutely can. Yes, I can.
Not inside. Go inside and record.
Oh, I will. I will.
Go inside.
I will. You didn't even have to tell me. I know, but you didn't have to tell me. See? I thought that was it. You're going to close the door, that's it. You're going to close the door, that's it. Yeah. Go ahead. You're already taking the bait, bro. You're already taking the bait. You're already taking it. See, his supervisor with the dreads is saying something. So we got a correctional officer letting a state inmate confront. Then what are you? What are you then? What are you then? What are you then? What? Look at us. This is who we have working for the state. We have a fake correctional officer letting the state inmates confront people in public. Bye, snowflakes. Dude, you're in jail. You're in jail. What are you talking about? You're in jail. What are you talking about? Me get a life? I'm enjoying freedom, brother. First Amendment, bro. Mass accountability, look it up. Hey, one of my viewers said don't drop the soap. An inmate told me to get a life. Wow. That was great, guys. I knew I'd get gold here. I knew I'd get gold here. We got this guy recording me. That was great. Oh man, I'm gonna have to cut that one out. The video's coming in pretty damn good too. Look at that. Yo, a state inmate came up and told me to stop recording him. You gotta be kidding. This is